Offering 4 bedrooms, rear lane access for 2 cars, is this Victorian terrace with DA approval for a complete transformation. I'm Frederico FRAGA-MATOS from Raine and Horne Petersham, and welcome to 68 Railway Street, Petersham. From here, we're just footsteps from the Waikato Hotel. And we're just across the road from Petersham train station. And we're just a short stroll from Brighton Street Reserve. And popular cafe right in the corner, and Brothers Ben Cafe. And you can also walk to the family and pet-friendly Petersham Park, where Fanny Durack Aquatic Centre is located. I'm Frederico FRAGA-MATOS, and for any further information about this home or the local area, please feel free to contact me on 0450 100 100. Thank you.